Yes, sanibona bafethu. Ninjani niyaphila? Asithambe naphila umfowethu Mkhonzo nibingelelayo la. Thank you so much for being here supporting this channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela nje ukuthatha lithuba elifishane. Ngibonga futhi ngamukela lonke ama-new subscribers to this channel la ku-YouTube. Ngiphinde ngamukela lonke ama-new followers ku-TikTok. Bese nje ngamukela nonke ama-viewers ale channel. Nabanga subscribe ngiyacela ukuthi ba-subscribe esikhulise le channel ephambili ngiyabonga. Siqeda ukuthola indaba ezinhle la ezithi excuse me. Former Mayor waseThekwini umama uZandile Gumede usejoyine i-MK Party ngokusemthethweni. Useyisekela lika convener we-MK Party eKZN. In short uyisekela lika baba uWillis Mchunu eKZN. Sikhuluma nje useyimember ye-MK Party. Kuhleke lokho ngendlela engibuka ngayo because siyabazi abantu abafana nomama uGumede ukuthi bangabantu abasebenzayo kakhulu. Futhi nakuba kunento eziningi ezikhulunywayo ngaye kumasipala waseThekwini kodwa angeke kuze kuvimba ukuthi ungumuntu one-following. Unabantu abaningi abakholelwa kakhulu kuye lapha eThekwini nase-KZN nje yonkana. So singasho nje sithi MK Party ithole ufisho omkhulu ku-ANC. Engicabanga ukuthi lokho kuzoyilekelela kakhulu i-MK Party njengoba ibhekwe okhethweni. Emkhankasweni ye-MK Party njengoba ibheke okhethweni kuzosebenzeka ngempumelelo e-KZN. Umbono wami lo njengomfowethu Mkhonzo. Sizokuchaza kokuningi ukuthi mhlawumbe ukungena kwakhe ku-MK Party kusho ukuthini, mhlawumbe yini futhi esingayi-expecta especially KZN njengoba MK Party excuse me ine-following eningi kakhulu eKZN. Sizokubona ke ukuthi lokho kusho ukuthini ukungena kwakhe abe yimember MK Party kumavideo alandelayo. Kwamanje bekudlulisa le indaba zokuthi excuse me, it's official. She is now a member of MK Party and the convener or deputy convener of the MK Party in KZN. Siyabonga kakhulu ake siphawule ke bafethu ukuthi excuse me, nizamukela kanjani le indaba nina zika mama uZandile Gumede. Uthini umbono wakho ukuphawula kwakho nokuthi umamukele ku-MK Party and all that. Ngiyabonga umfowethu Mkhonza ke lo. Ngicela subscribe la ku-YouTube kanjalo nabangaka follow ku-TikTok benze kanjalo sikhulise le channel. Thank you so much.
Uyaphila. Are you joining the MK? I'm seeing MK members are very happy to see you. Are you joining the MK? Right?